back to Nikki's Scrapbooking Adventures. Today we are going to be going over my kit for Collection Obsession. Now, this is going to be a monthly hop where we pick a kit at the beginning of the month and then make a couple layouts with it throughout the month. Now, there's no set schedule except for that the kit needs to be introduced on the first of the month. So I may or may not participate in the upcoming months. However, I want to do this in August because I haven't scrapbooked in almost a month because I've been doing all those other fun projects, and I'll link that off the page playlist down below. So this is the kit that I'm going to be working with because I've been kind of gathering supplies and now I actually want to play. So the kit that inspired me was this 49 in Market Art Options Viking. You can see the colors. It is purple, green, blue, teal, all those fun colors. So anything that I thought would go with those colors went in this kit. So we've got some ribbon here, got some twine, things that I picked up at my local scrapbook store. She does a great job of matching ribbon to the collections that come out. And then I've got a little ephemera pack of florals that are those colors. Park Lane tassels, pink fresh happy blooms, tags. Got that purple right in there, perfect. And then I sought out Bo Bunny collection, Bee-Utiful. Now, this has a lot more yellow in it. Do I care? No, because it's got the purple, teals, and blues, and greens. So yellow is just an additional color that is being added to this kit. Same with pink. You'll see a lot of pink stuff in here too. But I just love that these colors have purple in it and light blue and teal. Your purples and blues and teals don't always have to go along together. Then I participated in a swap with a Love RTS group, and look at what I got. I got purple butterflies and purple dragonflies. Like, isn't that just so cute? Okay, on to some more stuff that I grabbed. This was just kind of thrown in here as a little extra bonus. I think this was a card. It doesn't have purple in it, but it's got blue and pink, so whatever. We've got the combo stickers from the Bee-Utiful, and then I grabbed the chipboard. Unfortunately, I don't have any of the papers that go along with this. I just couldn't find them, and that's okay. So now we've got Maggie Holmes' Round Trip. Look at the purple, and there's the pink. I mean, that's why I felt like I could add this pink in here, because some of these papers are gonna have pink, and then it's got the purple. So purple, teal, green, there's some yellow and some pink. Now this is the Happy Blooms by Pink Fresh. Just perfect. And then I've got some more Viking. Enchanted Fields. Got some lovely green, but look at the purple. Some more Viking. This is called Splendid. And then more Happy Blooms. Still purple, got a little pink, and that's okay. But I mean, look at. So the mood and feel on the Viking is a little bit different than the mood and feel of Happy Blooms. And I'm okay with that because they have the same colors. I really was focusing in on this kit with the colors, not necessarily the mood and feel. So that means when I go to scrapbook, I can pick whatever paper I want, whatever mood and feel I feel like I want to do. Now, can I just say, kudos to 49 in Market and Pink Fresh. 49 in Market's a little bit thicker. You could definitely do some mixed media on this paper. You can definitely do mixed media on this paper, but it's more likely to warp. It's like so close in thickness, and thank you both companies for getting thick paper together. Okay, and then look at more Happy Blooms. Look at the purple. Like, isn't that just fabulous? Happy Blooms, pink, and then purple. Then I also got the Viking rub-ons. I don't really normally do the rub-ons. However, I don't also have a lot of pink and purple, or purple, excuse me, purple. So I decided to grab the rub-ons. And then this is like an old collection. This used to be, well, it's kind of, sort of, still a paper pad. But when you look at this, you'll just see all the colors that, like, here's purple, right? Here's green, purple, and dragonflies. So this is an older collection. I don't know the name of this collection, but it's got all my colors in it. Like, look at that. And I just stuck this straight in to my collection pack with this. Now this does not have the purple in it, but it does have the green and pink and yellow. So that's okay too. Sometimes you don't always want that. You don't always want all of the colors together. You do need ones that are focused on other tones. So this is like a super, super old collection, or paper pad. Like, so far, I'm surprised it's sticking together, but it is. So, and then the last two items that I've got are just a couple more cards. They kind of have the same tones. No purple, but that's okay. But I figure I can either use the cards as is, which they're cute, or I can use them as pattern paper. Say I open them up and there's a piece of pattern paper that takes up a good chunk of your space. So this is the kit I will be creating this month for the collection Obsessions. I encourage you to take inspiration from collections that you see. Put all collections together that have that same color theme that you really enjoy. Like, I'm really excited to play with this stuff with this collection, even though I don't have any of the Bo Bunny Bee-Utiful line besides the ephemera. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I am trying to get to 750 subscribers by the end of the year. I'm at 500 the last time I checked. So, one simple click will help me get to my goal. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.